So we will be studying convex and concave function today. So we'll be seeing the transformations first. Suppose u is a concave function and g is also a concave function. We have to prove that f is also a concave function. Since u is a concave function and g is an increasing and concave function, hence the transformation of u with g implies that f is also a concave function. The proof of this goes on like this. Since u is a concave function, then what will happen is the convex combination of points in the R2 space will have this property, right? Since u is a concave function. Now g is an increasing function, so increasing function, applying the properties of increasing function, you can get this statement. Now assuming since we have assumed that g is a concave function, so the convex combination, which is this, g of convex combination is greater than equal to the convex combination of g's, which is this. So we are getting this, we are linking this part to this part, and we are getting this. Now we'll link this to this. Since this is greater than this and this is greater than this, so this will be greater than this, and this we get as the final statement. And now we can see that g of u is f, so f of convex function is equal to convex combination of f, so f is also a concave function. Okay, so and these are the four main theorems which we need to prove. Like whenever the transforming function is an increasing function and it is of the same nature as the internal function, so the composition also stays the same. But if the transforming function is a decreasing function and it is opposite of what the internal function is, then the composition is opposite. So this is something which we need to keep in mind.